Good morning, partners. Welcome back to PWTRelyNews, along with Moosey Along's New World Tips from the Frontier. And this morning, I'm going to tell you how to stretch some of that there food that you use daily to feed your family, your in-laws, your outlaws, anybody who shows up when that dinner gong starts pounding away. So here we go. Number one, stretch your meat. Ground turkey, ground chicken, stay away from beef. It's like the cost is an arm and two legs at this point. Stretch it with oatmeal. Yep, you heard me, oatmeal. It's a lot cheaper and it stretches them beautifully. Most single parents, especially the women folk, can tell you it makes a big difference. And it adds moisture, protein, and bulk, and nobody's the wiser unless you tell them. 5 generations grew up on chopped meat, beef, but who can afford it? This is the new frontiers. Catch up with us. Number 2, use egg whites as your daily eggs. When I was a youngster, having an egg with a yellow pod in it was a big deal. It was taken out for Christmas, New Year's, stuff like that. You didn't eat them every day. Eggs were expensive in them days. They didn't go on scheduled performances the way they are these days. So, I've been doing it for 40 plus years, and look at me. Healthy as a, well, whatever. And you're right. Egg whites are cheaper, they're cleaner, lower fat, and easier on the stomach. Perfect for scrambling omelets. And bacon. Don't take much, folks. This is the kind of advice you need. I know. Flour, number 3, it's going to get expensive. You got to grind it. They have to harvest it from someplace. And between drought, groundwater loss, and crop failures from our breadbasket, flour is going to climb along with eggs and milk. You need to hear this now. Now when the shelves go bare, you got to learn how to use what you have in your pantry now before the catastrophe happens. And it will sooner or later. And the way things are looking now, it's going to be sooner. 4, yogurt is expensive. Make your own. Take a plain container of yogurt, those 8-ounce thingies. Put it away somewhere. Make sure you bring it to room temperature. And then you add. And use that when you make your own. Plenty of recipes on the net, not like the old days where you had to borrow it from a neighbor. Sort of like sourdough starter. You save a little portion and you use it for the next batch, and so on and so forth. All those Facebook recipes using Greek yogurt, homemade yogurt is just as healthy and a whole lot cheaper. It's cheap, it's simple, and it's fun. Teach your kid, teach your toddler, teach your spouse. It's more like it. And like you said, if the mountain men couldn't do it, you can too. Most of those mountain men were illiterate. This, starting sourdough or yogurt or anything else, teaches your kids and your spouse patience, skill, and pride. Something that this newcomers generation really needs. Like I said, if the mountain men of the 1800s can do it, surely so can you. It's funny, it's true, and it's humbling, reminding people that survival isn't no, it's just forgotten, and you need to remember it. So try it tonight. Pretend you're on the frontier and you got to feed your wagon full of 6 kids and you can't take out the flour immediately. This will help you. It's hands-on. It's my frontier wisdom. It's cheap and it's empowering. I can do this. Thank you for joining me. Stay healthy, stay alert, be aware of your surroundings, but most of all, stay tuned. New programs and we are coming up in a program near you. Ciao, babies.